Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you dreaming of a grand entrepreneurial dream and vision? Are your dream and vision stuck in the same rut? Have you been stuck with the same problems and challenges for years? Are you searching day and night for answers to your problems and challenges? If you know the answers, are you having trouble taking action? If you keep on doing what you were doing, you will keep on getting what you had got. If you want to break through this maze, join the IRDM community. My name is Nitin Salkar. I am working as NLP psychotherapist and career intellect coach. My focus is to develop learning and career intellect of students and entrepreneurs. Today's topic is about goal setting. Let's first understand why to set goals. Just imagine a football game where there is no goal post and every player is passionate and audience are very excited, but both will be wondering what is happening in the ground. You and everyone will have lots of questions such as why are players playing? What is my role in the game? Why and how to coordinate with other players? How much time I have to play? What will be the result of the game? Are you facing the same situation as an entrepreneur? A goal is a desired future outcome that a person or group visualize and plans about work and life and commits to manifest it. You have to design path of goal to manifest it. You have to decide timeline of completion of your goal. You have to assess your internal and external resources. For that, you have to design long-term, medium-term, and short-term goals. Let's understand each of them. It is also important to understand what a goal should not be. Many entrepreneurs start entrepreneurship to earn money, bungalow, free time, power, etc. But they miserably fail because all these are material things which are not in your control. The only thing in your control is building business model to satisfy the various needs of your customer for which your customer will pay price. So let's first understand various types of goal and what are the different activities to be done to build business model. There are three types of goal: long term, medium term and short term. Long-term goal is your dream, purpose, vision, and mission of your business. It will be a lifelong process. Refer video, purpose, and dream. Medium-term goals are completion of stage 1 to 4 of entrepreneurship. You have to complete each stage within the stipulated time. For example, you can complete stage 1 to stage 4 within 3 years of time. Refer video 6 stages of entrepreneurship. Short-term goal is writing fine details of each activity to be done in stage 1 and then complete the task and then completion of stage 2 and so on. You have to complete each activity within stipulated time. Completion of activity of short-term goal will lead you to completion of medium-term goals and your long-term goal will be manifested. You will require a strong mental state by using your own intelligence to achieve your goal. Let's understand how to do it. It is an ability to see big dream and vision. You should know the little pieces of work to be done in various fields of business to manifest your dream and vision. You should spend your maximum amount of time to get them to fit together. You should have ability to easily take action as per your dream and vision. This means that when a person excels in many different areas independently and combine those areas together, it simply means that you have strong mental state. Architect, engineers, sports coach, author, etc. does their basic work or strategy on paper. Our mind works like spiral. So when you plan anything in your mind, your spiral thought will not be able to concentrate on a particular activity. While working on a goal, your focused subconscious mind can dig out those issues which your conscious mind will not be able to spot. Before planning your goal, you need to consider and assess your present external resources available with you, such as capital, place, skill, human resource, technology, tangible assets, subject matter expert, etc. These resources are not in your control and may not be available in your area. Hence, their scarcity and non-availability will affect your timeline of goal setting. Internal resources are your inner mental strengths which will give you an ability to be consistent, resilience, and discipline in any situation. These resources are your higher purpose, intellect, learning, motivation, energy, concentration, creativity, decision making, value management, etc. These resources are completely under your control and can be useful to handle difficult and complicated times and situations. Following are the steps in goal setting. Decide long-term goal, that is your dream, purpose, vision, and mission. Decide medium-term goal, that is activities to be done in stage 1 to stage 4 of entrepreneurship. Decide short-term goals, that is, decide fine tasks or activities of stage 1 of entrepreneurship and then for each stage. Decide timeline for above three goals and tasks. Jot down activities in your calendar or diary. Assess your external resources. Daily assess your actions. Check what is working for you and what is not working, and accordingly make changes. Check your internal resources are helping you or not. Award yourself for failure and success. Remember one important principle. What is impossible to do if it is done would fundamentally change my work and life. Thank you. Did you like the subject and the purpose of the channel? Then like the channel. Do you want more information about this? Then subscribe to the channel. There is one beautiful quote. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. If coming together will create harmony and opportunity, then share the channel. If you have any questions or problems, post them on the WhatsApp link in the channel. Answers will be given in brief. Thank you.